Clap it up. Clap it up. I don't know what I mean by clap it up, but clapping it up. Alright, so right now we're playing Indigo Park. Now, I have seen a little bit of this game online. And by I mean a little bit of this game, I mean like a few clips on like Instagram Reels. Other than that, no clue what this game is about. There's a raccoon on the cover. I think there's like one chase scene. I honestly don't remember. But I'm playing it because you already know what time it is. It's freaking I'm strengthening my horror tolerance slowly. The more horror games I play, the better I am with handling it. Yeah, that's the words. Also, what is that? Oh, okay. Alright. Isaac Indigo's Indigo Park.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you.
What the heck?
Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own.
Okay.
In this place,
Why does he not look real?
are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime.
Okay. Inception, looking at a video through a monitor. Through a monitor? What? Okay, okay. Oh, wait a minute. What is music? Mom's favorite. What? What? Yeah, I kind of forgot the place has been closed. What? What is this? Oh, we're exploring it. Wait, what? Ooh, hate. Okay, okay. Bird up. Bird up. Bird up. Oh, Indigo Park. I just pooped on my car. Yo, pooped in my Walmart cart and they kicked me out because of it. Oh, hell no. Oh, heck no, I'm not doing this. Bro, I'm getting ready to quit the game. Bro, why is every push? What do you mean push? Oh, it's a trash can. Bro, this is so creepy. Why are we here? Bro, okay. Nah, I gotta lock in. What is this? Found a collectible. Visit information kiosk to learn more. Okay. What the? Oh, nah, they know I'm here. They know I'm coming. Okay. Alright. Damn, look at. Oh!
And welcome to Indigo
Jesus.
Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience.
Innovative. I'm sure.
Wait,
What?
you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds.
Dang.
Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Wait, so the thing could actually see me. What the heck?
Hi, I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered.
Why is he bugging out so much? What?
You don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park? Or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday. So you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Oh my gosh. Oh, looking up at the ceiling. Up, down, up, down. If you know, you know. Wait, what the heck? Why can't I open this? Open sesame! Okay, maybe I don't need to go here, maybe. How do I...
Hold up? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway.
What do you mean the gate's open? The gate is not open.
Hold on. My My mistake. The gate is not open.
Yeah, bro, I was about to say.
Error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini rambly venture.
What?
Have fun.
What do you mean have fun? What the heck? Oh, another collectible. Wait, I gotta turn on the generator. How do I turn on the generator? Oh.
The Indigo Violet
Bro, you guys keep scaring me. Shut up.
But it seems to be in our
Shut up!
Looks like it's missing a piece.
I don't care.
Find it?
What? Missing a piece? One piece? Oh, we need a cog. We need a cog. Where's the cog? Where's the cog? You know what? Screw what I said. I'm going back into the Discord server. Cause then if somebody if somebody, you know, joins, then I'll have some company. Hopefully one of my friends pops by. So yeah, if you do hear another voice, which I will probably be jump scared by. Oh, found the cog. Is probably gonna be one of my friends, cause you know I like the company. You know I like the company. No lethal. Let's go. All right, open it up.
For real this time.
Yeah, for real.
Welcome to Indigo Park.
Bro, my computer gotta stop lagging like this. Like, you see how I did the little side shuffle? Like, dude, I gotta like clean my keyboard or something. I don't know. Oh, plushies! Break the glass! Dude, oh my gosh, and this place is like technically retro in this universe. Oh, I don't like that. It's technically retro in this universe, so these plushies must be like worth a lot. Damn, look at all the grass that's like overgrown here.
Oh, silly Ramley. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and...
Bro, I don't know how I feel about these cameras.
There's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Yeah, alright. Oh, gift shop, right. Critter corner. Wow. So look at all these plushies.
There you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park.
Oh, new rollie. New rollie just dropped. What? What was that? Oh. Alright. Oh.
The door mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
I'm gonna smack you. Damn, fire drip. Wait, is this stuff you can actually buy? That's actually kind of crazy.
Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can.
Dude, if some super scary stuff happens, and it probably will, I'm actually gonna have to commit to it, and that's like scary. But you know what? It's okay. We got this. We got this. You gotta believe. What is this? Is that the creator? Is that the guy from the video? Yo, wait a minute. Why is the head following me? Wait, I'm not crazy, right? The head's following me. Wait. Oh. My game crashed. Okay, wait, no, okay, I'm good. Bro, wait, what the heck? That's so creepy. Alright, I'm just gonna walk by you. Yeah, I'm shining the flashlight in your face. How do you feel about that? Bum. You bum. Oh god, alright. What the? No way there was a cave in. Well, I'm gonna go into the bathroom. There's nothing in the bathroom. Alright. Dude, how did it collapse? What? Bro, it's so quiet too, like, dang. Okay. Ramley's Railroad.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some...
Your dust?
renovations. For the inconvenience,
I'm closed
the
in.
Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad?
Are you kidding
Test
me?
your sleuthing skills. I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Oh my god. If this raccoon was like physical, I'd strangle it. No. Oh, I thought it said no trains. 2 trains. Ooh. Oh, I can't jump up. Damn. I don't have any hops. The heck? Alright. Something about train. Alright.
Facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this.
What was that?
But it's one of my favorites.
Hey, yo, what was that? What was that green thing?
Who loves Rambling's Railroad? Because I like trains.
I know I'm not crazy. I saw that. What was that green thing? Bro, oh my gosh. I take a swig of my Bro, this protein shake does not taste that good. I'm gonna be honest. You're getting a protein shake right now? It don't taste too good. I gotta get my protein in. Wee.
Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambly.
Conductor. Oh, that. Okay. Wee.
Oh, look, it's Molly McCaw.
It's Molly McCaw.
Molly McCaw.
Ever saw.
You sure are, Mol. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing.
This is kind of lame. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of lame.
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing in style.
I cannot hear what she's saying.
Oh, say, those young adventurers you've got along with you look like great pilots.
Yeah,
Try your hand at flying
I am a great pilot.
rooftop races.
Admission included with your critter cuff.
What? Listen, man, I am a great pilot. #1 pilot in all the lands.
Rambly, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Daddy? Do I look like...
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly.
100?
I'm always long, because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all
Wow,
about
the self-plug
wonders
is crazy.
down under the deep blue sea.
Get out! Ooh, I like. What? Hello? Get the ride up and running. The hell am I supposed to do? Get the. What, am I supposed to fix this thing? Okay, well I can't leave this area. What's this? Oh, damn, telekinesis. It's a real thing. No wonder I'm here. No wonder I'm doing all this, because I got telekinesis. What the? Hey yo, you good? You good? Oh yeah, no, they died. They dead, bro. Bro, my thing gotta stop. I'm not even touching my computer right now. Okay. Alright. I need 3 cogs again. 1 cog. What the heck? New collectible. Oh, 2 cog. Womp womp. Womp womp. Womp womp. Womp womp. Womp womp. Watch, the bird's gonna be gone. Nope, bird's still there. Okay. I was honestly expecting the bird to be gone. Like I was. Alright. The potential jump scare. No, nothing. Oh. I'm impressed. I really thought the bird was gonna be gone.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me
What?
with that common folk name. I am the proud, the
Does he not like it?
professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Great
Lloyd.
Lloyd.
Of course it was.
He really doesn't like the line. The heck. Alright. The heck. Oh, is that the end of the ride?
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right?
It's
Now you
kinda
know
lame.
all about my friends.
It's kind of suck, but it's free
Where
though.
do you want to go?
Home. I want to go home. Dude, can we just like have a quick appreciation to the attention to detail, like and everything? Like look at the shop, look at Look at the detail on the ground, the walls, everything, dude. Somebody had to plan all this out. That's crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Like, yes, this place does look creepy, but like, if you think about it, like, imagine this place when it was like up and running. Like, dude, this place would have been sick. Look at this water. Oh, it was green. Wait, so where am I supposed to go now? Main stage theater? Oh, this is where the lion guy is. Hello, Mr. Lion Guy. Oh, what? I'm not allowed. Okay, I guess I'm not supposed to go there. Bro, why am I here? I couldn't even read all the messages. What the heck? Is that a JoJo's reference?
This here is an information kiosk. If there's
Yeah?
anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Alright. This is okay. So this is like a lore thing. Finley plush. The sea serpent always kind of freaked me out. I love aquariums and fish, but the size of him always made me feel uneasy as a kid. Wait, who's writing about this? What? Lloyd plush. I feel like as a kid, Indigo used Lloyd a lot more. He was always one of my favorites. Rambly plush. Ah, there's my buddy. Kind of feels like Rambly has a whole empire now, being the main man of Indigo and all. Rambly ears. I remember watching those old DVDs that Indigo would send to your house when you booked a reservation. They always advertised the biggest gift shops and made all this silly merchandise look so fun. My dad promised he'd buy me a pair when we went. But did he pull through on the promise though? Jetstream Junction?
Now look at that. You're at Jetstream Junction.
That thing's
Oops.
locked.
Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up.
Whoopsie, looks like it's being too.
Shut
Shut up!
Office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
Find the key to Justine Chung at Lloyd's main stage. Okay, back to where we were before. Hold on, my computer's bugging again. Why is that cup perfectly standing on the straw? Lloyd's main stage theater. I drive the Chevrolet every theater. Alright. Let me in! Oh, did a little double thing. Alright. Oh man. What is that? It better be. That thing is not dead. I was about to say that thing better be dead. That thing is not. What? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's like an actual lion? Oh, and I'm gonna have to fight it. Oh, man. I'm gonna have to run from it, but I don't know. It's fine. Hello, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, damn, where'd you go?
Hey, buddy. I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cuff is not yet able to resuscitate you.
What do you mean resuscitate me? Why would it need to resuscitate me? Oh my gosh, dude. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna have to fight this and kill this stupid lion. Hey, man. Oh, look. He's just a little kitty. He's not even... Oh! He's standing on two... What the... Why is that so terrifying? What the heck? It's fine. No. Why are we walking further? Oh, right, because we have to go to the junction thing. Oh my gosh, dude. Bro. Just letting this lion know that I'm a black belt. And my PR is about 3,000 pounds. Yeah, that's right. So if you come fight me, you're dead. Dunno. Oh. Kill you in. What the heck? What just happened? What was that? Nah, we gotta get him out of here. This is where I came from. Oh my gosh. How did I got so scared I did a 180. That's crazy. I mean, I didn't get scared. Oh man, how did that even happen? Okay, wait. Let me run through here. Yada yada yada. Stupid line. Yeah, this is what. Oh, I'm supposed to go here. I'm dumb. Alright. Come out, lion. I ain't afraid of you. Listen, they're more afraid of you than you are of it. Okay? So, like, I don't know. Alright. Watch. This lion don't know who I am. He don't know who he dealing with. Lloyd, more like dead. Oh, and I have to go back. I wonder what's gonna happen here, guys. Oh, why the door opening like that, bro? I don't want to run. I'm not gonna run, bro. What is this lion's deal, dude? I didn't do nothing wrong. We could be chill, dude. We could be chill. I love lions. I'm a lion lover. I'm a lion lover, man. We can be buddies, dude. Dude, I'm telling you, you and me together, we can bring this park back to its former glory and make millions. I'm telling you. You seem to be in great shape. Like, come on. Like, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You and me make a dream. You would be the dream team. You know what? 50-50. Or you know what? You could take all the profits. I don't even care. You could take all the profits. You know? We could get you some lionesses. You know? What? What the heck? We have the power. We have the power. Never mind. Screw that deal. Screw that deal. I ain't doing no deals with you. Also, why is my flashlight not working? Okay. Wait, so we have the power. You gonna say anything now? Nope. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Wait, so our watch has the power to kill the lion? I don't understand what happened. Jetstream Junction. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. I don't know what could be scared of.
Hey, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides.
Are you kidding me?
Up at Molly's landing pad.
So where's Molly's landing pad? Oh wait, I guess it's in here. Alright, how am I supposed to open this though? Okay. Molly's landing pad. It's probably the way to open it over here. Over here. Damn, them chicken sandwiches look good. Molly's crispy chicken sandwich. Want some kick? Get it Rambly style. Rambly style. No, look, you look kind of good. Alright. Is there a key or something that I need or I could use? Damn, this place is sick. Look at this. Although, if this place was like filled with people, I don't even think it'd look that cool. I think it'd still look eerie. Like, I don't know. Dude, I can't tell if I'm just being dumb or if there's like not clear enough instructions. What is this thing? What the? Oh, okay. Oh no, Molly's plane crashed somewhere in Ramley's woods. I better find her and make sure she's okay. Oh, okay. Little side scroller. Oh, damn. Oh, look at this. Oh, I fell. Okay, let's try that again. Damn, that was harder. Damn, no! Oh, you see the skills on. Oh yeah, that's right. How do I? Oh, I can double jump. Waya! Look at that. Damn, look at the music too. Some feel good music. Gotta get all of them. Oh, you see the skills. What the? Okay. It's just some square love. What's a pipe? Oh no, it's a rocket. Of course, because we all know that tree trunks can fire you out like a cannonball. This is sick. Wait, what? Yippee! Dun, 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 dun. There's Molly. Molly, what happened? Hey Rambly. I was flying through the woods, but then suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Who is that? Emo Fox. Salem. Salem looks like my looks like my. Okay, I didn't even get to it. Salem, I should have known you were behind this. You shady skunk. Oh, he's a skunk. Let her go. Nah. Nah. How's about I try my new potion on her instead? I'm tired of wasting it on squirrels. What do you mean new potion? Molly, look out! He's got a stink bomb! What? Too slow, dumpster face. What did you do to her? Meet the new and improved Molly Macaw. Now with none of that friendship garbage stopping her from tearing you to pieces. Wait, what the heck? She got like injected with shimmer. Wait, what? Do we have to fight Molly now? No! Molly! I won't give up on you, Molly! Oh, damn, that hurts us. Oh, the grapes are like our lifeline, I think. Molly, this isn't you! Oh my gosh, I died. No, don't make me start from the beginning. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, my stupid keyboard. Oh, are you kidding? I double jump!
Hello.
Oh, hello. Okay, let's try not to die to this again. Oh no! My computer lagging out! My computer lagging out! No! This is a terrible time for my keyboard. I'm not even moving. Oh, I'm so screwed. I'm gonna die. Oh no! Oh, we stay clutching. My computer. Oh my gosh, I can't move. Bro. Okay. Oh, lock in! Lock in! Lock in! Lock in! Oh! Oh!
You said it's a horror game, no?
I'm locked in. I'm locked in. Wait, we got her. Ah! Okay. Okay. We're good now. Oh, we got a raspberry. Alright, sick. Can I do the racing thing now? Rooftop races. You know what's crazy? I played another horror game right before this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on a mission to improve my horror game tolerance by playing horror games.
Looks like Molly crashed
Oh.
into the right again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed.
Oh my god, bro, I hate. What the heck? Bro, I hate this stupid squirrel. I mean, the raccoon.
How do you get those two mixed up?
I don't know.
Disconnected or is no longer.
Oh, the double. Alright. Pray to God I don't die. What the? Why is there already a ball moving down? Who? Alright. I'm just gonna ignore this. You know, maybe the wind pushed it, you know? Maybe there's like a updraft in here. Look. Whee! Oh. Whee! Man, that sucked. Dude, no wonder this place closed down. Let me in! Like? Oh. Alright, let me in. Wait. Am I not supposed to go in here? Hello? Oh, wait, I'm stupid. This is a puzzle.
Oh.
Wait. I don't understand, though. Wait. Oh, wait. Purple star. I got it. I got it. Purple star. Oh! Oh, that was literally all I need to do. Where'd the music go? Okay, that's fine. Perfectly normal. Whoa! What is that? Oh, nah. Nah. Oh, and I thought the lion was bad. Actually, the lion is still worse. But in this enclosed space, I feel much more threatened by this thing. Hello? I'm a black belt, I'm warning you. Yeah, what did you want? What's up? What the heck? Bro. Bro, oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. I don't want to run. I'm afraid to run. Where did they go?
Why are you afraid to run?
I don't know, cause like I'm worried that I'm gonna try to like rush something and then I'm gonna run into a jump scare. Like, oh my gosh, dude. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh wait, I'm literally back to where I started from. What? Bro, why is it so quiet? Give me some music or something. Oh! Okay, wait, I got this. Kobe Bryant! Damn it. Did I die? Okay. Shaquille O'Neal! Okay. Wait. Now I got it. LeBron James! That was the one. That was the one. Dude, these y'all remember when like did your like mom ever take you to like one of these little play places with like the little tubes and stuff?
Yeah, there was yeah, McDonald's.
Dude, I freaking love these places, but you know what's so dumb is that when I was like 12, I stopped going to them even when I had the opportunity to because I thought I was like too cool and too old for them.
Oh.
And like honestly, looking back, I kind of regretted that. I kind of wish I enjoyed them more. Honestly, I'd enjoy them now. I don't even care. Oh. What? Yeah. Where that stupid bird at? I killed this bird with my own. Did I go the wrong way again? Excuse me. What? Oh, I'm stupid. There were things in there. There were symbols. Wait, I remember seeing a red star. I don't know if that changes anything. Okay, no, I got it now. I clocked it now. I got it. I understand it now. See, red star. Oh, okay. LeBron James! Okay. Red star. Oh, that's how we open the door. Makes sense, makes sense. Okay, wait. Is there anything here that gives me a clue? No, it doesn't look like it. Green triangle. Green triangle. Okay, so red star, green triangle. Blue star, red, blue star, green triangle, and now we're just missing yellow. Now we're just missing yellow. Wait, what? This is the end though. I didn't. Okay, you know what? I feel like we can guess yellow. Okay, so red star, a blue star, green triangle. Wait, they're already set. Then what's this one then? I guess just turn it until. Oh. Oh, I guess I got it right. Okay. Yeah, we get those. We get those? Oh, hell nah. What is... Bro, I swear, if I see that stupid bird again, I'm gonna smack it in his face. Alright. Listen, I'm like that. I'm like that. I beat birds for breakfast. I eat birds. Straight from the nest. I ain't afraid of no bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh, why'd you turn me around like that? The hell? I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oi, oi, oi! Whoa! 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 Yo, yo, yo! Yo! Bro! I was not ready! What was that? Caught by... Molly can repeat words she's heard. Don't be fooled. What? Okay. Activate it. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. What you gonna do about it? I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh, this way. This way. This way. This way. I'm the biggest bird. I'm not running. This is a tactical retreat. Shaquille! Okay. Run. Which way? Okay. Yee! Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, wait. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Oh, cue the epic orchestra music. Go. Jump. Hatua. Okay. Run. Oh my god. Okay. No, I got this. 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 Hoof, 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 hoof. Oh, watch out. No! No! What do you mean?
Wait, you got caught again.
Where was I supposed to go? I don't...
Not into his beak.
Dumb bird. What you gonna do about it? Stupid bird. Oh! Oh, okay. Lock in. Oh my gosh, the thing is fast. The thing is fast. Like, if I mess up anything, I just die. Okay.
Also, why don't you take the tunnel at the top?
I can't. I don't make the jump. I never make the jump. Okay, it comes from there.
Oh, well, you gotta try to make the jump.
I am trying. I'm Shaquille O'Neal. On guard. Run, run, run. Oh! Oh! Parkour! Reflexes! Whee! Oh!
Well?
Wait, no, 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 no. This is the right way. This is the right way. I swear. This is the right way. Oh! It's right there! Yo, 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 yo!
No sprint.
I'm sprinting. This is my sprint. Okay, run. Oh no, this is a dead. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm not supposed to run back. I'm supposed to hop forward. Say, Drake. I hear you like I'm young. Oh, go, dude. It's the freaking. Okay, it's fine. Oh, sprint, sprint, sprint. Freaking gotta have a death grip on the shift key. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, I might swerve on that corner. Oh, go, go. Oh, dude, how does it get there? Okay, whatever, 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 whatever. We got it, we got it, we got it. Air Jordan! Okay. I don't make the jump, that's fine, that's what it's supposed to be. Okay, okay, okay. Hop down, hop down, hop down. Okay. 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 Run, 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 run. Ooh! I'ma swerve on that corner. Okay, got it, got it, got it. I'ma swerve on that corner. Oh. I'm out. Oh! What the? I'm back here. Why am I back here? Hatua! Run. Okay, okay. I got it. Oh, not in the vents. Among Us. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh, I know it's right behind. No, no, relax, relax. I'ma swerve on that corner. Oh, run. Okay, okay, okay.
Ah, there you are, buddy.
Bro, help me out.
This one's staff only.
What do you mean for staff only? I'm gonna die. Help me. Help me.
Goodbye,
I'ma fight
Will.
you. Black belt. I'm a black belt. Bodied! That's right! Damn, ew.
Is it a human in there?
I don't know. No, I don't know. I can't even tell. No, that's way too big to be a human neck.
Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something.
Oh, about something?
Been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up. Guests too. The mascots are. I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined.
The best experience possible.
Fallen into wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But I have an idea.
Bro, there is no but. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm leaving. I'm not doing this.
You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
Oh my gosh.
Willing to help me restore the park? I can see
No.
the facial tracking data that
No.
you are opposed to this.
I am opposed to
I'm
this.
so excited. Let's
You
get
should
this
not be
thing
excited. I'm
started.
leaving. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Haktua.
Okay, welcome to the
Bro.
crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your
What?
first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room.
What?
Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler register security room to set
Bro.
yourself free. Phew,
Okay.
kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel. A
Yeah.
Wrangley's Wranglers register.
Alright, go left. Wranglers only. Wait, does it say Rangers or Wranglers? Oh, okay, guess I can't check. Ugh. I love having, what, 30 different monitors and only having like a quarter of them work? What the heck? Alright. Holloway. Oh no, I go down this way. Oh man. Look, a little toy. Dude, so much garbage. Heck. Saw people left it? Oh, freedom! Freedom! Wait, but we killed the bird, but we never killed the lion, so are we gonna have to fight the lion later? Wait a minute, but there's only like
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey.
3.
You're doing a great job,
Oh
Rookie
my
Wrangler.
gosh, I'm gonna have to fight this stupid serpent. Wait, but there's
You'll
4.
find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see.
What? Okay, but
Don't tap the glass.
what if I do? Okay. Ooh, nah. Okay, so there's the lion, still alive. Killed the bird.
Hey, buddy. You okay?
Wait, what?
You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine.
Oh,
Don't
is
blame you
this?
for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Survey?
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your
Oh,
dreams came
this is
true.
chapter 1.
If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambley review. I'm Hugham's
Sweet.
faithful
W first chapter. W first chapter.
Indigo Park. See you next time, buddy. Please.
Oh, is that it?
Yes.
W games. Go to the main menu. Wait, is chapter 2 out? Wait, chapter 2 is now in active development. Okay, so it's not out yet. No, but that's a sick game. This is a pretty cool game.
How's the short gameplay time? How long did you play it?
I don't know, probably around an hour.
That's no. That's not too bad. Let me check.